Welcome back. We're going to be doing a little bit of a garden cleanup, and I got some harvest to do. A lot of peppers are ready to go. Some of my hot peppers are ready. All my sweet peppers are ready to be harvested. Tomatoes and such. But I had some zucchini plants that I'm going to be pulling out the garden, and I thought I'd get that done first. And so let's start with the zucchini here. And you can see now the zucchini's kind of dwindled now, so I don't think it's going to be doing much of anything anymore. So I'm going to just pull these out and get that done going real quick. Now this is you don't want to compost any of this because it could be diseased with powdery mildew and so forth. So I wouldn't compost it. I'll just put it beside the garden somewhere away from my composters. So let's pull all this out here. It did very well this season. I think I had my best season for zucchinis this time around. Best season so far. So I can't complain. They did a great job for me. And I still got some zucchini plants that are still looking okay. Like they might put out some more zucchini. So I'm gonna let those go and see if they give me anything else before I have to pull them out. But these are done. Let's pull all this out here. That way they don't carry that mildew anywhere else. All right, let me take this around the corner. Get it out of the way. All right, so let's start with some peppers. Let me get my basket real quick, and then we got a few of them that need to be harvested. Got a lot of these red mushroom peppers. They're paprika peppers. So I'm gonna just get all of these. They might even produce more. I don't really see any flowers yet, but I do see a lot of green peppers in there that's gonna need a little more time on the plant to ripen. But these are ready to go. I gotta start making powder out of these very soon. I have a lot of these to process. So I think next week sometime I'm going to be doing some paprika powder. Use that stuff a lot in my cooking, so it's gonna be nice and fresh. And these are gonna keep producing. I don't know how long till, but I'm gonna keep the plants here as long as they want to stay, and keep making me peppers. I'll keep them. And I got some that aren't quite ripe yet. I'll take these little ones too. I don't think they're gonna get any bigger. All right, that's it for mushroom peppers. It's starting to dwindle a little bit. Garden's starting to slow up. Oh, I got one over here I gotta get. But I mean, there's still a lot of green fruit on the plants here, so that's just that I gotta wait on. Get this one over here. All right, what else do we have? Got some green peppers, but they're not quite as big yet. I'm wait a little bit longer for these. I got a few of those in there that I'm gonna probably be harvesting soon. If they don't get any bigger, I might just pull them out. And I've got some. Let's look over here real quick. I think I see another Alma paprika. Yeah, this is ready. See how they look? Nice little red color. So that's when you're good to pick. So I got to keep an eye on these because if I leave them in there too long, bugs will start to get into them and they get some sunburn too. So really got to keep my eye on those and make sure I pick them right on time. These are the yellow Italian, Gatherer's Gold sweet pepper, yellow pepper. And I got a few of these. Got one over here too that's ready to go. Nice. This is really ripe. Got that deep yellow color, so I'm gonna take this one. Nice little yellow there. All right, so let's get some tomatoes. I got some more peppers in the back. I'll get those on the way through there. These are tomatoes. This is the well, got the big beef, and these are ready to go. They're starting to crack because of the rain we've been having, but they're still good. I'm gonna have to get those. Probably eat these first. They probably won't last that long, but pretty good tomatoes. A little bit of cracking. We're gonna pick these too. All right, let's pick these. I'm gonna take the ones that are ripening up too, because get this one over here too. There's some nice tomatoes there. Take my gloves off. And we've got a I planted this I think it's back choy, and I think I'm going to be harvesting this too. I'm ready to harvest. I'll probably get it later on, and that came out very well. My first back choy, so I'm gonna try and plant more of those next time. Now I'm going to be pulling that out soon. We got some ricotta plants, ricotta peppers, and I think they're the yellow variety because they've only ripened to the yellow stage, and I think they're supposed to be a little bigger than this. Ooh, lost one. Let me pick a few legs and show you. So I think that maybe the yellow ricottas because they've only ripened to this color. I don't think I'm gonna leave them on a vine any longer. I've got more that are ripening up, but I think this is the color they ripen to. Maybe it's the yellow variety, but don't quite turn to the yellow color I thought they would. And I think they're supposed to be a little bit bigger than this. But I'm gonna pick these and I'm gonna use them for some cooking. So, and I gotta wait on the others to ripen up as well. So I got a few more tomatoes here. Got some cherry tomatoes. And I've got tomatoes around the back as well. This is the sweet 100s. And these have been really good. Some of these are a little bit overripe. Here, Lucy. I'll give her the ripe ones. Nothing goes to waste. Likes tomatoes. Here. All right. And let's keep on picking. So these are good. This is the sweet 100s. I got another vine in the back too that are loaded with tomatoes, and I'll probably get those later on. They're kind of in the back of the garden. Let me pick these real quick. I've got some more out around the back that I can. Some more tomatoes around back I need to get as well. So let's walk over there. All right. Yeah, these right here. I saw it was eyeing these out this morning. These are coming with me today. Have my salad for lunch. Have some cherry tomatoes. Take all of these. I think these are going to be giving me cherry tomatoes until frost. I don't believe, because there's still a lot of green tomatoes on little cherry tomatoes that are not quite ripe yet. And some of these are a little past their time, so I got to kind of be selective. The other one's grabbed. All right, I got 2 tomatoes here I can get. These are looking real nice. Check this one out. Real nice. They are ready to go. Well, this one's got some blossom end rot. Now, it's not. I don't think it's a lack of nutrients. I think I haven't been consistently watering these like I should be. So I've been getting a lot of blossom end rot on some of these tomatoes. and I haven't been out here watering like I should consistently. So I think that's probably what the cause is of this. So it's gonna have some rain in a couple of days, so I'm gonna hold out until Saturday to water anyway. So that's gonna go in the composter. Let's see. All right, guys. Well, that's all I wanted to show you today. I'm gonna keep on cleaning up the garden. This is the harvest for today, and hope you enjoyed this little quick video. Please like and subscribe, and please hit that notification button for new subscribers. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe and hit the like button so we can get this video circulated. And have a great day, guys.